Hey, what's up everybody? So today is going to be day 6 of our 100-day split challenge. Without further ado, let's go ahead and get right into it. Okay, now we're done with the left side, so we're going to go ahead and do the splits. All right, now let's stretch the right. We've stretched the right, time for the splits. Let's do middle. Now let's do the middle splits. All right, well guys, I can definitely see some progress. I'm super excited to hear all about your progress as well. If you liked this video, please like, subscribe, and leave any comments letting me know how your journey is going, and I'll catch you next time. Bye.